You'd see it was just as easy as hanging it onto a hook right there. Look at that. All right, my mom is a big fan of all things stained glass, so I got her this stained glass Tabby window holder. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so that I could show it to you, but all opinions are my own. But I just wanted to show you how it arrives and what you can expect when you get it. It came packaged very nicely in styrofoam. It was completely protected. The stained glass itself looks fantastic. It really looks good. We got the gray Tabby cat on here. It's more of a dark gray. It's actually kind of lighter when you get it in the light. The moon itself looks fantastic. Nice paint job on there. She's really going to love this. It's got a nice hook on the top that's pretty sturdy, and a chain with a little hook on the end here. It also came with this adhesive packet. If you wanted to, you could actually pull the adhesive back off of here and stick this onto a window or whatever you want. And it's got a hook on here that you could hang this off of. She is going to love it. You'd see it was just as easy as hanging it onto a hook right there. Look at that. Easy as that. And we'll make it the centerpiece. So let me get a better shot for you guys. So if you're looking out the window, there it is. Looks great. Let's check it out from the kitchen. So you can see it hanging there. It's in the center. And, you know, it's small enough to where we can see under it and see around everything. It hangs up high enough. Looks great. Looks fantastic. Stained glass, gray Tabby cat.